Unfortunately, the idea of repairing the gear teeth and recutting them wasn't really successful. All I succeeded doing was blunting my cutter. So what I've decided to do is machine the teeth off this, and I've got a 63 tooth gear there. So I'll bore that out and shrink fit that onto there. It's slightly narrower, but it'll get them good. So I'm going to cut the teeth off this and then go from there. Very nice and all this. And once we get through the hard bit, where the cast iron's gone really hard while I had it hot where I've welded it. That's the ceramic tip, that's sorting the bastard out. No wonder that poor little Chinese gear cutter wouldn't mark it. Right, so we're going to bore the centre of that bastard out now to fit onto the other bit of gear we've got. This is steel, I'm right, this one's fairly hard as well. It's going to be one of them jobs I think it's going to fight all the way. But if it was easy, everybody would be doing it. What I need here is a pan cutter and I haven't got one, so we'll just take it out like this. Taking 3mm aside there so it's not playing with it. Comes with a bit of nice material as well. Them horrible stringy bastards. Whatever you do, don't be tempted to put your hand there, they are warm, horrible things. Yeah, we'll do it one more cut and I think we'll let it cool down so it's warm. And then we can get the shrink fit sorted. A little bit of warmth in there, but not too much. Only make it tighter really. When it cools down it will shrink. And I reckon that's just about there. By the time I warm that gear up, it's going to go onto there quite nicely. Got a 0.2 mil fit, 0.2 mil interference fit, which is sort of 8 thou, so that should be sufficient. You always make sure you've got a hammer, because if you haven't got a hammer, the bastard thing won't go on. 2 pairs of pliers there. This should supply enough heat. I don't think there's enough heat here. I'll give it a try, but I don't think it's hot enough. Just the bastard. Just hot enough. You know one thing, the bastard will be tight. Right, we'll let that cool. Science does its thing, it shrinks in, crushes it by the knackers, and then that's his gear done for him. Happy with that. As far as my mental state is concerned, I'm definitely a lot better. I'm not 100%, but I'm way better than I was. Combination of probably medication and basically friends, people talking. Laughter's the best medicine. You've got to get it out your system. You've got to talk about it. I keep drumming this in, but honestly, it's really important. It's nothing to be ashamed of. I mean, I'm supposed to be a big, tough, rough Geordie, and it has me absolutely devastated. Anyway, that's enough of that. Basically, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. It is important. Anyway, thanks for watching.